Okay folks, just a very quick overview of how easy this is. We're inside the members area. Ignore the logo up here in the top left hand corner because we haven't changed it to the correct 3.01 yet. But that aside, getting set up is very easy inside your members area for Traffic Time 3.0. As you can see, short welcome video from me, short overview video, and then literally we just have a couple of pointers for you in the training which will take you a few minutes to watch. Then all you have to do is to click on this button here and check that your links open inside a frame, and then all you have to do is email them across to us. It couldn't be any simpler, folks. We will get them on the rotator as soon as that's done, and you can start getting traffic to them if you're quick on launch day, you know, as early as tomorrow. So it's really that simple, folks. Pick this up for less than $10, submit your links, and 3 of them will be live on the rotator in around 24 hours or so. So pick up your copy of Traffic Time 3.0 and we'll see you inside.